In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Wrike in just 5 minutes. First, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you feel most comfortable using. Type Wrike into the search bar and navigate to the Wrike website. Once you're on the landing page, you can either click Log In if you already have an account or choose Try Wrike for free if you're new and want to explore. Now that you're logged into Wrike, it's time to select the project that you'd like to transform into a template. Think carefully about which of your existing projects can serve as a starting point for similar future initiatives. This step is crucial because the project you choose will become the basis for your template. Next, you'll want to right-click on that project. This action will open a context menu. From the options, look for and select Duplicate. The idea here is to make an exact copy of your project while giving you the flexibility to make changes specific to template creation without altering the original. When you've chosen to duplicate the project, a new window will pop up, allowing you to update several important details. Here, you can input a new name for your soon-to-be template. Make sure this name is clear and indicative of the template's intended use, so it's easily recognizable later on. You can also specify a location for your project copy. For organizational purposes, it's a good idea to move this project into a dedicated template folder. Having all your templates in one place will make future access and management seamless. In this window, you can also decide what elements of the project you want to copy over. Wrike lets you choose whether to duplicate tasks, assignments, custom fields, and more. Consider what components are necessary for every future use of this template. For instance, if certain task assignments are unique to the original project, you might want to exclude them from the template. After making all these selections, it's as simple as clicking Duplicate. And just like that, you've created your template in Wrike. It's ready to be employed for future projects, saving you valuable time and effort. Creating templates like these not only boosts efficiency, but also ensures consistency across similar projects, helping maintain quality and standards. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to streamline your workflow with Wrike templates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments or questions below. See you in the next video.